Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, you love cars and DIYs, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. Alright, so for today I'm gonna show you on how to make your basically windshield and the rest of the glass on your car squeaky clean. And you can see that my windshield is 30. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it's 30 right now. So all you need to do for this DIY is your favorite glass cleaner, a spray bottle, and two microfibers, or three if you prefer to have a final wipe on your windshield. And you may also use a glass protector or water repellent as a final coat on your windshield or on your glass. Okay. Alright, so first step on this DIY is basically spraying your favorite glass cleaner on half of the side of your windshield and wiping it dry with your clean microfiber or cloth. So I'm gonna do it. The reason why we will be doing this half side is because by the time, if you spray the whole windshield, by the time you're done, the half of it might evaporate and would cause a lot of markings and a lot of mess basically.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I'm done with the windshield. I'm gonna show you the after, and you can see it's really shiny, no dust. You can even see the reflection of the clouds. Okay. So I'm gonna repeat the process for all the glass. You can see this is dirty. My side mirror as well. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the process on all of the glass in my car. Same process, okay? Alright guys, so done cleaning the glass of the whole car, and you can see it's really clean. See the glass, it's squeaky clean, and I did it on all the mirrors, even the side mirror. You can see it's crystal clear, and the rear mirror as well, and here. Alright, so see that? That's what you call a clean glass. Alright guys, so that's how you properly clean your the glass in your car. Again, if you want water repellent, you can apply those as a final coating, and you might need to use a third microfiber or cloth to basically spread out the chemical. And if you see acid rain, there are acid rain chemical remover available in the market. Just read the instructions carefully to avoid messing up your glass. Okay, and yeah, I think that's gonna be the wrap up of our DIY video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Check out the playlist, and see you on the next video.